Share is a part of share capital or the capital of a joint stock company has been divided into number of units. Each unit is called a share. Who will issue the prospectus? The company will issue the prospect to the public to become a shareholder. Hello everybody. I am Dr. B.S. Subramaniam, called by name Dr. B.S.S., Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidyashram First Aid College, a Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. I am going to hand Financial Accounting 3 of third semester BBA. The chapter goes Issue of Shares of a Joint Stock Company. What's the heading now? Issue of shares of a joint stock company. This particular word is most important. So, what is a share? Share is a part of share capital or the capital of a joint stock company has been divided into number of units. Each unit is called a share. So, share can be issued in three ways: share at a par, share at a premium, and share at a discount. Before going the problem, what is a common entry you are going to pass that we are going to, because we are going to solve the good problem today. So this session we are going to solve very, very good problem. Before that, I will give a hint of the last session. What is the entry goes? So what is the first entry goes? Bank account data to share application account. What is the second entry? Common entry, share application account data to share capital account. By chance, if the excess application received that we refunded, still excess receipts adjusted to allotment. What is the first entry? Bank account data to share application account. What is the second entry? Share application account data to share capital account, to bank account, to share allotment account. Excess when application rejected when it will be refunded, still excess is there, that is adjusted to allotment. I will repeat. Bank account data to share application account. What is the second entry? Share application account data to share capital account, to bank account, to share allotment account. Now we move on to problem. I will slowly explain the problem. Then whatever you could not understand, we'll discuss slowly. So this is a very, very good problem you have got. A limited company issued a prospectus. I will tell you what you mean by prospectus is. Inviting application 2000 shares of rupees 10 each at a premium of rupees 2 per share. Then we are going to pay on application fees, they have to pay 5, on allotment account rupees 5, including the premium means. So 3 rupees is the real money, 2 rupees is the extra money. On the first call, they have to pay 3. On the second and final call, they have to pay. First, they have to pay an application, then they have to pay an allotment, then they have to pay the first call, then they have to pay the second and final call. Application received for 3000 shares. So how many shares are there? You have got 2000. How many application received? 3000 shares. How many application would have been rejected? 1000. And allotment was made on the pro rate of 2400. The problem say you got 3000 application, you got only 2000 shares. How many application would have been rejected? 1000. But they accepted how much? 2400 means they rejected 600 application and amount have been refunded. So money overpaid on application or applied on account, still how much excess accepted? 400. That is adjusted to allotment. Then Ramesh, to whom 40 shares were allotted, fails to be the first and final. This man paid application, paid allotment, fails to pay the first call, fails to pay the final call. Regarding the second gentleman is concerned, one hold how many share? 60 share, fails to pay the second and final call. That means this is the first call, he fails. Here no, Mr. First Man holds how much? 40 share, fails to pay the first call, fails to pay the second and final call. Whereas second man holds how many share? Fails to pay the second and final call. Means this is a final call we have got. The totally share per feet share is 100. All the per feet these shares were per feet reissued to Krishna at what rate? At rupees 9 per share. So this is a very, very good problem you are having. This is this type of problem you are going to get in the examination. So this word, no, prospectus. Who will issue the prospectus? The company will issue the prospectus to the public to become a shareholder. What is prospectus? It is an invitation given by the company to the public to become the shareholder. Ask him to pay for a share is considered. How we have to pay? 2 on application, 5 on allotment, 3 on the first call, 2 on the final call. How many application received? 3,000. But how many application accepted? 2,400. If you go like this, no, shares is to application. Shares is to application. How many shares are there? 2,000 shares. How many application received? 3,000. How many shares are there? 2,000. How many application? 3,000. How much accepted? 2,400 means 600 application is rejected. So difference is 2,000 shares. So 2,400 application. For 2,000 share, we accepted 2,400. If we cancel 0, 0, divided by 4, 4 5s are, 4 6s are, 4 5s are, 4 6s are. This is called pro rata. Proportionately accepted. So how many shares are there? 2,000. How many applications received? 3,000. How many applications rejected? 600. So 2,000 is to 2,400. They are in the ratio. So divided by 4, 4 5s are, 4 6s are. So they are in the ratio of 5:6. They are in the ratio of 5:6, which is considered as a pro rata adjustment account. I will repeat. You got 2,000 share. How many application accepted? 3,000. How many application rejected? 600. For 2,000 share, we accepted 2,400 application. So if we cancel the 0, we have got only 20:24 divided by 4. 4 5s are, 4 6s are. That means for every 5 share, we require 6 application. If you have got a 10 share, we require 12 application. Multiple of 5, multiple of 6. You won't issue 1 share. You have to take 5 share, then you have to take the 10 share, then you have to take the 15 share. This will go like in the ratio of 5:6. Now, we'll go to a problem. Here, you got application fees too. How many application received? 3,000. What's the entry? Bank account data to share application account. So 3,000 into 2, 6,000. Slowly we'll go to entry. If you could not understand, we'll repeat slowly once again. How many application you got? 3,000 application. What's your application fees? 2. So 3,000 into 2 is 6,000. 2 share application account 6,000. Being application money received. Being application money received. Now, how much money you received? 6,000. What's the next entry? Share application account data, 2 share capital, 2 share allotment, 2 bank account. How many application rejected? 600. How many application excess is there? 400. That is adjusted to allotment account. Share application account data 6,000. Actually, you require 2,000 application. What's your application? 2,000 share. What's your application fees? 2. We require only 4,000. Only 4,000. Share application account data, 2 share capital account, only 4,000 we require. How much excess is there? So 600 is rejected. How much still you got? 400. Adjusted to allotment. 400 into 2. 800. This is adjusted to allotment account. How much application rejected? 600. 600 into 2. 1,200. See the word? Debit side should be equal to credit side. How much money you are having? 6,000. Actually, we require only 4,000. How much adjusted to allotment? 800. How much rejected? 600 application. How much refunded? 1,200. You are going to refund now. So out of 6,000, we require 400. How much adjusted to allotment? 800. So now we'll go to next entry. Before entry, I'll show you What's your allotment money? 5. So 2,000 into 5 is 10,000. Actual money is 3. Premium is 2. How to pass the entry? Share allotment account debtor to share capital account to share premium account. We'll pass the entry. Share allotment account debtor 2,000 share of rupees 5 each. 10,000. 10,000. To share capital actual money 2,000 to 3, 6,000. How much premium? 2 rupees. How much premium? 2 rupees. 2,000 into 2, 4,000. What's the entry? Share allotment account debtor to share capital account to share premium account. Actually, he has to pay how much? 6,000. How much excess he has to pay? 4,000. If he pay excess, then only he can become the shareholder. How much excess he has to pay? 4,000. So what's the entry? He has to pay 10,000. How much actually requires 6,000? How much you have to pay? Excess 4,000. What's the total money due is? About 10,000. If we see in the last entry, you understand how much already credited to allotment account? 800. So actually, how much you do now? 10,000. How much already received? 800. What's the balance? 9,200 you are going to receive. Here, bank account debtor, we require 10,000 minus already received how much? 800. Balance is you are going to receive 9,200 to share allotment account 9,200. What's the entry? Bank account debtor 9,200 to share allotment account 9,200. Narration being allotment money received. Then we go to first call. What's the first call? See that? Rupees 3 on how many share? 2,000 share. Who fails to pay? First call, no? Ramesh holds how many share? 40 share. He failed to pay the first call, he say. What's your first call money? 3. You'll go to the what's called due entry. Share first call account debtor 2,000 into 3, 6,000 to share capital account 6,000. What's the entry? Share first call account debtor to share capital account. How much money to be? 6,000. Who fails to pay now? The first man has to pay. See that? Who fails to pay? Ramesh, who holds how many share? 40 share, fails to pay the first call. What is the first call money? 300. He fails to pay. He already paid application. He already paid first call now. What is the first call money? Share first call account debtor 2,000 into 3, 6,000 we have to receive. Now who fails to pay? First man. The balance money you are going to receive. Bank account debtor on how many share? 2,000 share. Out of that, first man failed 40 share. Balance is 1,960 into 3. If you multiply now, that is 1,960 into 3. It works out 5,880. So out of 2,000, how many shares money you could not receive? 40. How many shares money you are going to receive? 1,960. At what rate? At rupees 3. It comes to 5,880. What's the entry? Bank account debtor to share first call account. Then we go to the final call. What's the final call money? See that? Final call is rupees 2. On how many share? 2,000. We'll go with the due entry. Share final call account debtor 2,000 into 2. Share final call account debtor 2,000 into 2, 4,000. To share capital account 4,000. Entry. Share final call account debtor to share capital account. How much money to be received? 4,000 on the final call. Now, who failed? First man fails 40 share. Second man fails 60 share. 100 shares money you could not receive. At what rate? At rupees 2. Entry. Bank account debtor. What will total shares you have got? 2,000. How many shares money you could not receive? 100. Means you are receiving only 1,900. At the rate, what is your final call money? See that. 2 rupees only. He who fails, Ramesh fails 40 share, this man fails 60 share, 100 shares money could not be received. So how many shares you are going to only? 1900 shares money you are going to receive now. At what rate? 1900 at the rate of rupees 2. This is 3800. To share final call account 3800. Narration: bank account data to share final call account 3800, being final call money received on how many share? 1900 share. Now the share have been forfeited, it is going to be reissued. Share have been forfeited, it is going to be reissued now. So how many shares forfeited? 40 of the first man, 60 of the second man. Totally how many shares? 100 shares have been forfeited. Forfeited means cancel out. So what is forfeiture? Cancellation of share for the non-payment of either allotment or the first call or the final call is called forfeiture. Forfeiture means cancellation of share. Why the share will be cancelled? They fails to pay. If he fails to pay allotment, a chance is given the first call. If he fails to pay the first call, a chance is final call so that they can pay. Now here, first man holds how many share? 40 share. Second man holds 60 share. Totally how many share? 100 shares is there. We want the capital of 100. Share capital 100 into 10 actually require 1000. Now, who fails to pay now? First man has to pay. How much you have got? 40. First call money 3. 120 he fails to pay. Final call, both have been paid. 100 share of rupees 2. This is 200. How much already paid you have to look after? That means first man holds how much? 40 share. He paid application 2, allotment 3, 5. Second man holds how many share? 60 share. He paid what? Application 2, allotment 3, first call 3, 8 rupees. This is 40 into 5, 200. This is 480. How much already paid? 680. If you see now 8 plus 2, 10, 1 plus 6, 7, 8, 10. So debit side should be equal to credit side. How much money to be received? 1000. How much already received? This man paid 5, this man paid 8. What is this 5? 2 on application, 3 on allotment. He paid what he has paid? 2 on application, 3 on allotment, 3 on first call. How much already paid? 8 rupees. So you got how much money? 680 already received. So fails to pay first call 120. Both have been paid. He's only first man has been paid. In the second case, both have been paid 200. So how many shares you have got? 100 shares now. It can be reissued to another person. So the problem says it can be reissued at rupees 9. Reissue 100 share at the rate rupees 9, 900. How much you could not receive? 1 rupee. 100 into 1, 100. To share capital 1000. This is the reissue entry. What's the reissue entry? Bank account data, forfeited shares account data to share capital account. Actually, you have to receive, you could have been 100 share would have been issued at rupees 10. They issued at what rate? At rupees 9. So 100 into 9, 900. Then how much you could not receive? 1 rupee. 100 into 1. So totally 1000. If you see in the last entry, we can understand in the forfeiture how much you got again. This is a credit entry. Then when it's reissue, you got debit entry. So 680 is credited, 100 is debited, means how much is credited? 580. That will go to capital reserve. Entry forfeited shares account data 580 to capital reserve account 580. What's the entry? Forfeited share account data to capital account. 680 is the credit side. Then 100 is the debit side. How much is credited? 580. That will go to cap reserve. So the money has been kept in the capital reserve. If there is any shortage of funds, the funds can be utilized for the sake of capital. So we pass the entry. Before going to bank account, first entry will go there. Bank account data 6,000 you have got. Out of 6,000, actually we require only 4,000. How much excess application is they rejected? 600 into 2, we paid back. Then you got 400 that is not returned, that is suggested to allotment. How much already credited to allotment account? 800. When you are paying the allotment money, they have to pay 800 less. If we see the allotment account, so we have to receive 10,000. Real money you have to receive 6,000. How much premium you have to receive? 4,000. How much already received in the credit entry? 800. What's the balance you have to going to receive? 9,200 only. So now before you have to prepare the balance sheet, before preparing the balance sheet, you have to prepare the bank account. So how much you have to receive? Application you have to look after. First on application, next on allotment, next on the first call. If we see that how much you receive on application, you can understand. What's your application fees? 6,000. How much you return? Here, 1,200. Careful. This you received, this is returned. What's called return to the shareholders are considered. How much you receive? 6,000 rupees. How much you return? 1,200. Actually received how much? 6,000. How much you return? 1,200. Now go back to the bank account. How much you receive for allotment account? Bank account data to allotment account. How much money? 9,000. Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. How much money is coming in? 9,200. 9,200. Then how much you receive for the first call? Bank account data to first call account. How much money? 5,880. First call. Then how much you this is we received an application, received on the allotment, this is received on the first call. How much you receive on the final call? Bank account data to final call account. How much money? 3,800. Now for period and reissue, how much you receive here now? For period and reissue, bank account. How much you receive? 900. So first you received an application, second you received an allotment, then you received on the first call, then you received on the final call, then you received on the share capital account. We'll make the total of this. We'll go with this one. First one 6,000. Second one 9,200. Plus next one 5,880. Plus next one 3,800. Plus 900. So if you go now, one by one, here, first one is 0, then this is your 8, then 2 plus 8, 10, 18, 9, 27, 2 plus 6, 8, 9, 17, 22, 25. 25,580 total amount. 25,780. Out of 25,780, you got 25,780. So out of that, how much deducted? 1,200. 0. This is 8. 2 plus 5 is 7. 1 plus 4 is 5. 24. So 24,580 will come here. So what's the total amount? 25,780. How much money has been returned? 1,200. How much you have got? 24,580. That will come to cash at bank. So when you tally the balance sheet, it should be equal to 24,580. So this is on application, on allotment, on the first call, on the final call. For debit what comes in, credit what go. How much you pay back? 1,200. How much left out now? 24,580. This should be shown in the balance sheet now. So you got how many share? 2,000 share at what rate? 10 rupees, 20,000 you receive. In your reserve and surplus, in the last entry you got capital reserve is 580. In the allotment account, you got 2,000 into 2 is 4. This is your share premium. This is 2,000 into 2. 4,000. This is what is the total amount? 24,580. If you see your cash at bank, how much is there? 24,580. I will repeat. You got how many share? 2,000 share of rupees 10 each, 20,000. Then you got a capital reserve 580, share premium 4,000. How much your cash at bank? 24,580. So it should tally. So it's one of the good problems. Generally, it is going to ask. I told you pro rata in this problem. In this session also, I explained. You got how many application? 3,000 application. How many shares you got? 2,000. Would have been rejected 1,000 application, but they rejected only 600 application. How much they are going to accept? Only 2,400. For 2,000 share, they accepted how much? 2,400. This is called pro rata proportionately accepted. This type of problem always they are going to ask in the examination. So same type of problem always going to be asked, only pro rata adjustment, generally on premium. Generally on premium, you solve the problem on the premium only. So generally they ask the pro rata, then forfeited and the reissuant will become. So I have explained in this session what is the first entry, what's second entry. What's the first entry? Bank account data to share application account. What is second entry? Share application account data to share capital account to share allotment account to bank account. Share allotment means excess application adjusted to allotment account. How many applications rejected? 600. That is refunded. 1,200 have been refunded. While you're collecting the money, you already paid for allotment account. Whatever the balance you are going to get in allotment account. So you remember all the entry. 8 entries must plus 3 entries for feature is must. What is for feature? Cancellation of a share for the non-payment of either allotment or the first call or final call is called for feature. For feature means cancellation for the non-payment of either allotment or the first call or the final call is concerned. All have been explained slowly, and I think you understand this session. In the next session, we are going to solve one more problem of this type with pro rata. Till then, goodbye. Meet once again in the next session.